My name is Hamdan Wasanet, membership number 174-5, from group 93. Okay, this is video for the tutorial video for the our team, that is sport team, that I will choose from our discussion last week. Okay, I will conduct for the men attire for sport. Okay, this side is inappropriate attire for the sport, and this side is appropriate way for the attire. Okay, I will start from the top. Okay, I will start from this side. Looking that he wearing a hat for doing the sport. Okay, there is hardly to move for the wearing hat. Okay, this side he not wearing hat, so he can move freely. Okay, for the shirt, he's wearing casual shirt for going to shopping mall and that. Okay, that's not appropriate way. Okay, for this side, you looking that he wearing jersey type. That is freely to move, easy to move, and it's absorb sweat. For the pants, for the bottom, okay, he wearing the sarong. Sarong that is hardly to move. That is kampung style, playing football that way. Okay, for this side, he's wearing track shoe. That is easy. Okay, for the water, look, he wearing no wearing anything, barefoot, you know. Okay, football, kiki. And this side, he's wearing their shoes. That is comfortable shoes and easy to do. That is appropriate way attire for this men. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Nur Aini Zarfan and I'm from this group. So I'm going to for women attire for a sport. So beside me is wearing inappropriate attire, and another side is wearing appropriate way to go for a sport. So I'm going to start from top. She's wearing a shawl, and it doesn't look appropriate to go for sports because the material is like chiffon, so it's easily to it's not appropriate. So beside this is she's wearing a scarf. Fabric is cotton. So when she's moving, so the scarf is not So for the shirt, she's wearing a blouse, like want to go somewhere. So beside this is she's wearing a fabric like jersey, so it is appropriate to go sport. And for the pants, she's wearing a slab, and for she's wearing a track suit, so yeah, it's appropriate to go for the sport. And go for the shoes, she's wearing sandals, and it's too dangerous actually to go for the sport. And beside this, she's wearing sport shoes along with the socks, appropriate socks. So this week, appropriate sport attire. So students should wear like this, if they want to do playing games or what. And this side is more likely you want to go to the class. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Good morning. Hi. This is our second group discussion, our group reflection for our video. So my name is Muhammad Faiz Izzuddin bin Azmi, and we are from group 93, LAX 2007. So before we proceed with our meeting, let our group members introduce themselves first.
Hi, my name is Mr. Habibio Wasanik. My mission number 174 chair 5 from class. I'm staying at KTDI.
Okay, Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Daya Asmiza binti Awang Ismail. My metric number is 171974 from Sarawak and stay in Kosas.
Hi, my name is Nurul Aini Zafran binti Hairani. My metric number 173204. I'm from Teras Kuala Lumpur and I stay at Clear College Chancery.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and very good morning. My name is Nur Farhana Suhaili binti Baharum. My matrix number is 173003 and staying at KC, College Chancery.
Hi, I'm Karak Mabeza. My matric number is 175023 and I'm from Penang and I'm staying at College 13. Okay, so we have done our group tutorial right video. So this is for the group reflection video. So our second team, which is sports. So today, before that, how are you guys? It's fine.
Tired,
Not fully awake. Yeah, I can see that not fully awake. Okay, right. So, back to the topic. Our topic. So, what? Excuse me.
I think we should explain why we choose the theme.
Yeah. So this is for the reflection. So, what can we reflect from the video from the tutorial video that we did just now? So, I open to the members of the floor to give their opinion.
In my opinion, I think why we chose this theme, it was because the attire it can be easily find and can be easily found since it's a very simple attire.
Simple and common.
Simple theme. Okay, next.
Okay, from last record video, I think the place is much better for this because we have booking the discussion room for record our video. That is nice room. And from last video, I think there is some improvement from the last recording.
For this team, I think it's near with us because as a student, we all
Expose.
yeah, it's supposed do sport in every evening, right? Yes. So the clothes is easy to find. Yes.
For me, same as I said just now, improvement for our meeting, and we also do it at morning, not for the last recording video we doing it at night. Yeah, it's a hard us to go there. KE.
May I add something?
Yes.
Please, I think we should open place like Bukit Expo because there has places for playing sports, right? So there's
So it's
related to the team that we have chosen. Yes.
So are you saying after this we're gonna do we're gonna do theme? We're gonna choose the place according to our related to our theme.
To make our video more
Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah. More live. Okay. So just now, Farhana said that our team is very simple to find in order to find the what we call the attire, right? So, okay, what I'm gonna talk about is that I want your opinion about the modelings. So, as example, Faiz and me. So, do you think that I take as me as an example? Do you think that when I'm wearing a play card or kain sarung, you think that is too much or suitable for the team? As a kampung boy.
We all think it's okay because it shows nation style in kampung. So we contrast.
Do you wear kain sarung when you play football at kampung?
Depends on the situation lah.
Really?
If I'm in hurry, I just go and play. But
What sport?
What sport? Football.
Football. Alright.
What do you expect from if I wear
Ping pong maybe?
We use kampung no basketball. Takraw maybe lah.
Are you serious?
Just joking. So the Faiz, I think this is style is good. No. So how about the girls? Yeah. The type of the two models of the girls.
I think it's nice. Maybe for the ladies, got if you want to do sport, maybe wearing a long sleeve.
Long sleeve.
Long sleeve. It's easy. Okay. And just sit like okay.
So for Eli, yeah, of course, appropriate attire, but
Too much.
Appropriate there.
schedule or going for the class. So, but it's okay, but because it's easily to
So, any comments or improvement from this team to our next meeting or something?
Choose place and team for me. You know?
Okay. So we are gonna choose a team and place
Suitable.
that
Suitable
suitable.
place.
Okay. So anything?
Ahmad.
So I want to ask Faiz.
Yes?
So do you have any idea or something to need to be improved?
Can you define the idea?
I don't know.
In what aspect?
Ask you generally.
Oh, so you're gonna ask me the improvement
Yeah.
that we're gonna do.
Mm.
I think for this week is it nice, but for next week, since today is our public holiday, so we can do it in the morning. So I think for the next meeting, maybe we can find one day that we can gather to make this video in the morning too, because I think due to the lightning.
Wow.
Lighting.
There's no rain here. It's not raining.
Lighting, I think you look cute.
So you think, but I was thinking that it is kind of hard to gathering in the morning, but it's not possible, right?
You can try.
We can try. At least we try, right?
Adjust our schedules.
Yeah.
Lol.
So, about how so I just wanna. So this is I focus to the MC of the day. So do you think that they give a good explanation from the previous video?
Yeah, comment.
For overall, I think this week is better than the last week video
This week.
because we made a lot of improvement. So keep it up.
Yeah. And still, just to remind all of the members for the MCs, you need to study.
More.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Because there is one that I realized that about the DGC. Do you think that this is absorbed sweat?
It's match just see.
Yeah, I just realized that's just see material absorb sweat.
Depends on the jersey because they have a good fit jersey.
Oh.
Yeah. Depends.
Nowadays technology.
That's why I'm a bit confused about it. So for the curtain, it's obvious it's absorb sweat, right?
Yeah. But commonly students wear jersey.
Yeah,
Because it's more light and more comfortable.
So does anyone want to add more? I don't know if you have any comments or what are their opinion to give. I want to ask you all about the models. Do you think that we the one that we choose as model need to posing or do something or just
Standing
there?
quietly,
Do
nothing
you think
to do.
nothing to do, or the model should be active, more active?
Maybe saya can juggling the ball.
Yeah.
Can
Yeah.
show some skill.
Maybe what I think is that if the standing can
Maybe we should record once more
once more.
with you showing the skills and with that
No,
kain sarung.
So do you think that the models need to be more active or what?
Not too active,
But not too
have
passive.
some movement.
Some movement, just like what? What my ideas, I was thinking when the MC tell about the tie, right? So as example, when I'm wearing hat, so the MC say about my hat, so I should take out and show like this or what?
Yes, of course.
It's really straight, I think. There's more, I think, we can see.
Then when the MC talk about shirt, I just show my shirt like this.
Wow, good idea, man.
So is it
That's
okay
right.
or
Yeah.
I need to move a little bit more right?
I think you should do like that because we just our view record just
Just focusing
on
on-
one side. Yeah. So the viewer can see if we shows that what we wear.
So, Faiz, do you
Yes.
have anything to talk about?
Anything to talk?
Yeah.
Actually not.
Actually,
I don't have anything to talk.
so, do you guys have any idea, or should we go for the conclusion, Faiz?
So for the conclusion, I'll conclude that for the next meeting we will choose place based on our theme. It will be more interesting for our viewers. And then second, we will keep improvising. And for the time, we will try to adjust our time and so that we can gather in the morning and we can we can do the video in a bit early. So anything more? So I think that's all for today's video. Have a good day. Thank you.
Say goodbye.
Bye.
So